Welcome to Study Loop.
Hi, in this question we are given with the height of a projectile shot that is equals to 2 plus 24.5 times t minus 4.9 times t square. Solving for the first part, we need to check the velocity after t is equals to 2 second and 4 second. For that, we will first find its derivative, and this will be equals to 24.5 minus 4.9 times 2t. That can be written as velocity, and this will be equals to 24.5 minus 9.8 t. Finding at t2, we get this to be equals to 24.5 minus 9.8 times 2, and solving this we get this to be equals to 4.9 meter per second. Next, finding the velocity at t is 4, and this will be equals to 24.5 minus 9.8 times 4, and this will be equals to minus 14.7 meter per second. This is negative because the direction will be changed after this time. And solving for the next part B, we need to find the projectile reach its maximum height. We need to find t when maximum height, and for that we must equate dh by dt to be equals to 0, because at maximum height the velocity will be 0. So we must equate 24.5 minus 9.8 to be equals to 0, and solving this further for t, we get this to be equals to 24.5 by 9.8, and we get t to be equals to 2.5 seconds. Next, solving for the next part C, we need to find the maximum height. That means h at a t of 2.5, and this will be equals to 2 plus 24.5 times 2.5 minus 4.9 times 2.5 whole square. And solving this further, we get our final result for the maximum height, that will be equals to 32.625 meter. Now solving for the next part D, where we need to find when it will hit the ground. That means when height is 0, we need to find t. So finding h as 0, that will be equals to 2 plus 24.5 times t minus 4.9 times t square. And solving this further, we can write it as 4.9 t square minus 24.5 t minus 2 is equals to 0, and solving this we get the final result for t when it will hit the ground, and this is approximately 5.08 second. Now answering for the last part E, where we need to check with which velocity does it hit the ground. As we know, the velocity function that we have calculated is 24.5 minus 9.8 times t. Now finding the velocity at t as 5.08, that will be equals to 24.5 minus 9.8 times 5.08, and solving this further we get a final result for the velocity, and this will be equals to minus 25.284 meter per second. This is negative because it is traveling downward. Hope you understood the solution. Thank you.